If you follow this one piece of advice, no matter what industry you're in, your job will be safe. Because AI isn't replacing jobs, it's replacing a specific type of worker. And if you're in this category, you need to change now. Meta has started replacing mid-level engineers with AI, and they're not the only ones. Microsoft, Klarna, and other major companies are cutting jobs and replacing human workers with AI systems. But let's be clear, this isn't just about AI being better than humans. It's about one specific type of employee that is most at risk. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why this is happening, who is safe, who is in danger, and what you need to do to secure your career. Let's get into it. Meta recently laid off thousands of engineers, and internal reports revealed something shocking. AI is now doing the work of multiple mid-level engineers, and companies are realizing they don't need them anymore. And it's not just Meta. Microsoft had cut jobs across engineering and sales while aggressively integrating AI tools. Klarna, the massive fintech company, replaced 2/3 of its customer support with staff with AI. Even Goldman Sachs had said that AI could replace up to 300 million jobs worldwide. But here's the real reason this is happening. It's not that AI is replacing all jobs. It's replacing mid-level employees because they are stuck in the most vulnerable place. The worst place to be, mid-level anything. The biggest misconception about AI and job loss is that it affects everyone equally. But that's not the truth. There are three types of workers in any industry. Number one, entry-level employees just starting out, eager to learn, working long hours, cheap to hire. Mid-level employees, not experts, beginners, and most replaceable. Experts and high-level professionals, irreplaceable, highly paid, and negotiating their own terms. Real problem, being stuck in the mid-level. Because if you're an entry-level, companies want to keep you. You're hungry, you're learning, and you're cheap to employ. If you're an expert, companies need you. You provide so much value that your salary is justified. You can negotiate your own terms and control your future. But mid-level, you're not cheap like an entry-level worker. You're not irreplaceable like an expert. You're just there. And that's exactly why AI is replacing mid-level engineers, marketers, and professionals across industries. This isn't just about engineers. If you're a developer, AI-powered coding assistants like GitHub, Copilot, and Meta's AI tools can now do the same work that mid-level developers do, but faster and cheaper. If you're in marketing, AI is automatic and creating content, SEO research, and even customer outreach. The same thing is happening in finance, data analysis, and even law. How to make sure AI doesn't replace you. Here's what you need to do based on where you are in your career. If you're just starting out, the best thing you can do is to be hungry. Learn everything you can. Work hard, be adaptable, and become an AI expert in your company. Don't just compete with AI. Learn how to use AI in your advantage. If you're in mid-level, you need to move up and fast. Get better at what you do. Learn deeper skills that AI can't replicate. Start specializing. Generalists are the first ones to go. Focus on strategy, leadership, and high-level thinking. And if you're already an expert, well, keep moving forward. Stay ahead of AI advancements. Don't get too comfortable, because if you slow down, AI will catch up. Final thoughts and 5 key takeaways. Number 1, AI isn't replacing all jobs, it's replacing mid-level workers. Entry-level employees still have a place because they're cheap and eager to learn. Experts are safe because they provide so much value that the companies need them. Number 4, the first place to be stuck is in the middle, where AI can replace you easily. Number 5, the solution, either move up and become an expert or become an AI expert in your field. This is the one piece of advice that will keep your job safe. Let me know in the comments, do you think AI will replace your job, or are you already using AI to stay ahead? If you found this video valuable, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Adapt or get left behind. The choice is yours.